So today we will work on the JavaScript to make it functional. I have opened index.html and script.js. First, I will select three HTML elements so that we can manipulate them. They are input box with the ID QR text, div with the class image box, and img tag with the ID QR image. So let me create a variable QR text, and I will use document.querySelector to select the ID QR text. Likewise, I will create another variable image box, and again I will use document.querySelector to select the class image box. Finally, I will create one more variable QR image and use document.querySelector to select the ID QR image. Now let's create a function generate QR. Inside this function, we have to update the value of src attribute of the img tag. So add QR image .src and assign them to the link of the API. So I will just copy this link and paste them over here. But instead of example, we need to have the value of the input box. So you can remove example, add plus, and add QR text.value. We then need to show the QR image when we click on this button. In the style.css, previously we have hidden them using display none. So let me add a new class name showImage and add display block. Now whenever we click on the button, we need to add this class name. So add imagebox dot classlist dot add showImage. Now we need to call this function. So open index.html. Then in the button tag, you can add onClick event. You can then call the function. Now let's take the preview. If I put the link and click on the button, I can see the QR code. But if I remove the link and try to click on the button again, I can see the broken image over here. When user try to submit the empty input box, I want to hide this image. So I can add if-else statement. Inside the condition, I can add QR text dot value dot length is greater than 0. It means if there is any text or link in the input box, I can use these codes. But if the input box is empty, I want to remove this class called showImage. So I can use remove over here. Let me test them again. This time I will add a text test. If I click on the button, I can see the QR code. But if I remove the text and click on the button, the image is hidden. I also want to show the red border at this stage. So let me add a new class error in the input box. So open your style.css. You can add a class error, then add border 1 pixel solid red. Now in the else statement, I want to add this error class name in the input text box. So add QR text dot classlist dot add error. Let me test them again, and this time if I click on the button, I can see the red border. If I add any text, I still can see the red border, I want to remove them when the QR code is visible. So in the if statement, I want to remove the error class name. Let's test them again. If I add any text and click on the button, I can see the QR code. If I remove them, then I can see the red border plus the image is hidden as well. If you want to test if the QR code is working or not, you can open your developer tool and you can see the word test is visible. It means our QR code is working as well. Great. This is the end of this final session. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn this JavaScript project, QR code generator. See you in my next video.